Hello students, today we will learn how to log on to Access. Our life depends on data to a great extent. From school courses to graduation subjects, case studies to national surveys, everything depends on data. In the previous chapter, we have learned the importance of relational database in our lives. Relational database provides a complete structural framework to the data and saves time to enter repetitive information again and again. In this chapter, you will learn about a GUI-based relational database system called MS Access, which comes as an integral part of the MS Office suite. Let us recall advantages of database. Before moving forward, let us first talk about what is MS Access. Microsoft Access is the most popular and powerful RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. It is graphical user interface GUI application software which organizes and manipulates large volume of data efficiently. It organizes data in the form of tables and provides a facility to create relationship between them using common fields. A relational database enables to prevent duplicity of data. Another important feature of Access is that you can add, update, delete, view data and establish relationship by using forms, find and retrieve data in a desired way by using queries, and print data in a specified layout by using reports. Some other popular RDBMS are Sybase, Oracle, SQL, Structured Query Language by SQL. Let us take a discussion on DBMS versus RDBMS. Alright students, now we will learn about features of MS Access. Access provides the facility to break large information into small parts so that it can be easily maintained and accessed. Data redundancy, duplication of data is reduced. It increases the efficiency, speed and flexibility in searching and accessing information. Access facilitates sharing of data, that is, people located on different locations can extract the database according to their needs. Access provides data security features and maintains integrity, which is useful to make the data more consistent and reliable. Access provides the facility to create data forms so that user can enter the records of a person one by one in the respective fields. It also reduces data entry errors. Queries help you to get information on a specific topic from the information stored in the database. Reports allow you to present the data in a meaningful and summarized manner. Time for fact file. A table name can have up to 64 characters including letters, numbers and spaces. Let us understand MS Access interface. MS Access 2007 is completely a new user interface as compared to older versions. The elements of MS Access window 2007 are as follows. Office button. On clicking the Office button, a menu appears through which you can create a new file, open an existing file, save a file and perform other tasks. Quick Access toolbar. It contains button to access the commands you frequently use. You can also add commands to it. Title bar. It displays the name of the current document and application. Navigation pane. Displays the list of new or existing database objects such as forms, tables, queries and reports. Tabbed bar is used to display database objects in tabbed document rather than overlapping the windows. Ribbon. The ribbon is located at the top of the screen just below the Quick Access toolbar. The ribbon has three parts: tabs, groups and commands. Alright students, now let me tell you how to start MS Access. Click on Start button, then go to All Programs, then go to Microsoft Office, then go to Microsoft Office Access 2007. MS Access offers you two ways to create a new database. Creating a database using templates. Creating a blank database. Okay students, now let me tell you how to create a database using design template. It is one of the easiest way to create a table. Templates are ready to use database objects that contain various types of tables, queries, forms, etc. They are needed to perform specific tasks and help to speed up the database creation process. Start MS Access. The Getting Started with Microsoft Office Access window appears. In the left pane, click on the local templates in template categories. Select a template from the displayed list in the center area of the Access window under local templates. Here we are selecting a contacts template. On the right side of the window, Access suggests a file name in the file name box. Change the file name as desired. Click on Create button. Access creates the database and opens it in the form view as shown in the below figure. A table name contact list is displayed in the database window. It contains fields which are relevant to the contacts database. Let us know more. The overall design structure of the database is called database schema, which describes the records and relationship among them. Time for fact file. Templates are pre-built database focused on a specific task that you can download and use immediately. Alright, now we will discuss how to create a blank database. When Access opens, you will find the Getting Started with Microsoft Office Access window as shown here. Select the blank database option in the starting page of MS Access. The blank database command allows you to create a database from scratch. The blank database task pane appears on the right side that prompts you to create a file. Specify the file name in the file name text box. If required, you can change the location of the file by clicking the Browse button next to the file name box. Click on the Create button. This will create and open a new blank database in a datasheet view with the name Table 1. The name will also get displayed in the navigation pane. You will observe that the Table Tools tab is always selected by default. Students, now we will learn how to add fields to a table.